Whoa, whoa, I just feel like it's just gonna pop and blow it.
Nope.
You don't gotta blow it on me, man. What the fuck?
It's not a choice, I promise. There it is.
Thank you. Okay. So, is this gonna...
Get away.
So this is what's going on.
Thanks.
This is what you don't do when your car is getting ready to lose its reverse. And you come down to your fishing hole into a spot quite like this and end up like this.
Hold that. Oh, sorry.
I kind of feel like I need to take that one home. He's stopping the car from like further going into the river. And that too. I know, I saw that.
Like that. You ain't gonna be able to.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we would have been okay.
Go past that. So you got a little room to come up. Okay.
We got to keep this wood. That's nice wood.
I'll see if this battery lasts any longer than this.
Oh, God, man.
It's a cheap ass saw.
All right.
Seems like it's dead now. Yeah, it's dead.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, almost.
Did you bring a handsaw? Huh? I didn't hear you.
He said something.
Oh, okay. I know he helped me refine my handsaw because the handle was loose. And it didn't cut worth the shit. I mean, that's what I spent the hour cutting the first branch and didn't get anywhere. I think this is where, yep, because I made this cut here. And then so somebody just had to just come up and just, and then it just, look at how nice this wood is inside though. Oh. That's beautiful. I almost want to take that home too. Ooh, see, look at that. I like that.
Got a screwdriver?
Screwdriver?
Yep. Need a close.
look at what I did. Look at the mess here. We got a mess. But look at what I did. Look at what I did here. But at least there's, yeah. On the bright side, there's nobody I got to report to about this, really. That's the upside. No, unless the fucking sheriff wants to come in and say, I put myself in this tree on purpose, then we have an argument.
Yeah, that's the shitty part. This isn't made for that.
Yeah.
I mean, it works,
Okay.
but it's not made for this kind of shit.
And we still have a long way to go, yeah?
Well, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'll start cutting.
You're not gonna make it through this.
Okay.
Let me see what.
Oh, dude, just be careful. I just kind of want to put a towel down in case. Oh my God. Yeah, that's what I was doing with my saw.
Where's your saw?
I threw it away
Why?
because it was a piece of shit. It wouldn't
Worse than
saw
this?
shit. It was a little bit better than that, but it was still flimsy as fuck.
Where did you throw it?
It was a long time ago. It's no longer here. I mean, I've got some knives, but like nothing that's. Oh
Sorry.
no!
It's basically like this.
Yep, that sucks. It's gonna take fucking forever.
Yeah, that saw again. Probably just needs to let it cool off.
Can't see.
Can I try it? The hand went? Or did it went, you gotta cool down yet?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
See what it does when you pull on it.
Oh, I knew there was something there. Oh, God.
Thick.
Hmm.
So that was thick.
Ooh, look at that.
subs.
Huh?
These subs.
I found them in the woods. I need it. No, that's what I need to do. I need to test them to see if they work. I don't have like the other parts that I need to do that. And the sun is shining so bright. It's 92 degrees here in Melbourne, sunny motherfucking Florida. Ah!
It's alright. Let's see. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Ooh, buddy, I'm getting burnt up. Burnt up. Oh, God. Okay, just so everyone knows, you see that little bull ant right there. Okay. Them bitches hurt. They bite. Especially the big fat daddy black ones. Yeah, no, those will really light a fire in your ass. It's like a fire ant times mucho grande. It looks like the tree's bleeding.
It's set.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Yeah.
Huh?
Sometimes things like that just happen.
Wait. Oh, yeah.
Yep. We did our best. Look how nice that is. You guys did your best. Thank
Technically,
you.
at this point, I mean, if that's holding your car there, then you don't want to remove that anyways. You just want to be able to move.
Well, I felt like it got stuck to me and it was hindering my abilities to be able to back out properly. Because before I had like this little momentum where I was rocking back and forth and it was kind of giving me that umps go backwards. And I almost got up and out, but you know me. Didn't back up far enough. And then like it rolled a little bit forward and then a little bit more. To the point I knew I can't roll no more unless something really is going to happen. And guess what? That's crazy. That is crazy. I'm never doing this again. I'm never doing this again. So, you know, this is Pineda Causeway. And back in the day, they shut down the entrance to this place. So, you know, recently I came back up here and I was like, you know what? Let me just do something here. And this is what we're talking about. This is what we're talking about. That little space right there. I said, I'm going to make it into a driveway. I'm going to have my own little drive up little spot. And it's worked out a lot of times. But as you see here today, with my car troubles piling up, I think my reverse went out today. Because I was having some issues with my reverse, and it just seems like today's that day that it said nope. Or I had too much wood behind the tires. I'm not sure. I'm trying to figure this out. And what's the best scenario to get up out of there once we get the tree out of the windshield? I'm at an angle, so that I gotta factor into. So yeah. very steep. It's nothing's really hindering me, blocking me. It's just, I guess, my transmission or my gears are fucked up, along with everything else. Okay, this is a 2000 Toyota Solara with a sunroof, V6. Toyota has yo in it, and I like that. Soul, like as if you got a soul, you have to have a soul. So I like that. Whoa, whoa. But like this car just doesn't like me or something. It just doesn't like me. I think I'm sunburned.